Hi everyone, yesterday I published a video about the subscription model from Notability and my opinions on that. I'm really happy to see the huge engagement in the comments, and there were really some great constructive arguments coming up, constructive feedback, and I appreciate that. So I want to pick out some arguments that made me think about this as well and brought me another perspective. So I appreciate that you took the time, went to the comments and let me know. So we are here on the video that I published, and we see already it was 50-50. Now a lot more thumbs down for the video. It's okay. I expected this for this video because it's a really tough topic to discuss. So no hard feelings there. I tried to answer most of you, and this is just overwhelming, and they really came up some great arguments, especially here from Paulina, where she pointed out again the perceived price of the subscription isn't the same in all countries. So whereas if I have to pay $12 here in Germany, it would be around 10 euros. It's a less perceived price than if I would pay this in USA for $12. But then we have other countries like the Philippines where you have to pay sometimes 10 times compared to your income. And I absolutely understand this. So $1 per month is then a different game. Another thing that came up is, and I absolutely agree with this, it's the way Notability made this change. This comes up over and over again, and I have to agree there. Existing users should have kept access. And it seems that Notability had the same feeling. So they listened, and when we go to Mac Rumors, where we've been yesterday, they now shared here. Yesterday we made a big announcement regarding our transition to a free app with an optional subscription. We heard the disappointment from our existing customers, and we want to correct our course. Today we are making some changes, coming soon in Notability version 11.02. Everyone who purchased Notability prior to our switch to subscription on November 1st, 2021 will have lifetime access to all existing features and any content previously purchased in the app. So the important thing is here, because when I see on the comments, some of you already mentioned that this announcement was done, and then people were worried what will not be included. So here they state lifetime access will include unlimited editing, iCloud sync, and any features or content bought through in-app purchases. According to the developers who added, future features we develop may also be included depending on their complexity and cost to maintain. So you not only will keep what you have and what you paid for, but there's also a potential that you still get access to new features coming to the lifetime access. And I think this will calm down the whole discussion a lot here, because this was the majority of arguments there. And I have to agree, this is something I didn't include in this video properly, to take into consideration that you just had an agreement by paying X amount of money to get a product, and then they switch to a subscription model, which breaks the contract that you actually had with Notability, isn't it? So we don't know, was it really the pressure from the customers, but also maybe it was an issue with Apple. We don't know this, but I think we all can be happy that they found a solution there. Again, I thank you very much for this engagement in the comments below the video. I'm really happy that I have such a constructive community. So thanks a lot. And if you want to stay tuned with any news on the note-taking apps and other tools in the digital productivity world, then stay with me and let's talk about this.